Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Raymond Sarmiento. I serve as Principal Investigator of the study entitled Operations Research and Modeling on the Implementation of mHealth Services in the Philippines. This was supported through an AHEAD HSPR project, primarily spearheaded by the Department of Health and the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Health Research and Development. In the Philippines, we have 73.91 million who have access to the internet and 154.4 million who have access to phones. In 2015, the World Health Organization stated that medical and public health practice supported by mobile devices such as mobile phones, patient monitoring devices, personal digital assistants, and other wireless devices, those are what we refer to as mobile health or mHealth. The problem that we tried to tackle in this study was that most of the mHealth solutions available to the general public are still in the pilot stage and have no national framework to guide the growth, scale its impact, and ensure its sustainability. So we attempted to draft a roadmap and a strategy plan on how to adopt mHealth services in the Philippines towards achieving the national health system objective outlined in the Philippine Health Agenda 2016 to 2022. We had a total of 25 participants who answered our surveys, and we conducted key informant interviews and focus group discussions with 51 of those and 29 with key opinion leaders. That's in terms of the breakdown for our KII and our FGD, comprising of those coming from the patient groups, from healthcare professionals, from program managers, and from policymakers and governance group. We also came up as one of our outputs a proposal to put in all of our vetted e-health or digital health or mobile health applications into what we call the Philippine e-health application library. It's a web-based tool that uses a combination of manual vetting and automated assessment processes to scan mobile app marketplaces for applications that can be safely used within the healthcare setting. We also focus on 7 core areas for this study, and that as part of the criteria for what will be included in the FAL, these are as follows: usability related to user experience, privacy in terms of data protection and compliance with RA 10173 and treatment of users' data, security related to cybersecurity, encryption mechanisms, storage, and measures against vulnerabilities. Number 4, on appropriateness and suitability related to the adoption and adaptation of the application for the benefit of target users. Transparency and content related to the sharing of information in relation to development of the application. Safety in terms of preventing harm to end users. And technical support and update related to helping the user to solve problems in using the application. This is a snapshot of the mHealth roadmap that we came up with for the next 5 years, for 10 to 15 years, and for the next 30 years, that is in line with the WHO and International Telecommunications Union's toolkit, and also our Philippine eHealth Strategic Framework and plan on the components related to governance, foundations, mHealth solutions, and change and adoption. We hope this will be critical in terms of finalizing what will be our roadmap for mobile health devices and applications for the next 30 years with significant technical inputs coming in from other countries who have also developed their own mHealth roadmaps. In the short term, we aim to mainstream and streamline mobile health or mHealth by developing and adopting faster and simpler methods, standardizing mHealth apps and services. In the medium term, by the end of 15 years, we hope to be able to look into institutionalizing regulation and quality assurance and having sustained fundings for mobile health applications, implementing and enhancing standards, and operating certification processes. And then finally, 30 years, we hope that there will be a sustainable plan for health information sharing through mHealth services and incorporation of mobile health as part of the basic formal education, especially for healthcare professionals, and mandating the use of mHealth services that will be critical in improving healthcare service and delivery and continued development of standards. We hope that that's something that we could push forward in terms of being able to lead and incentivize having an mHealth governance group to enable effective coordination and oversight, collaboration, and finally on capacity building, which are all aspects that the government should focus on. Thank you so much, and I look forward to your questions.